decided to stay at Kata beach instead of going home.
Good morning from a very sunny Thailand today. Nice weather. The hot season is starting to pass to rainy season, and it's gotten a lot cooler today than it's been for the last 4 or 5 weeks. So it feels like you're back from the dead. The heat here is actually dangerous, so I'm going to talk about that in another vlog. Today I just want to do a quick review on Kata country house.
Inside is quite spacious room. Nice elephant towels. Windows everywhere. It's going to be interesting. Here we have some cupboards, the toilet, and the shower. All is quite cool actually. I wasn't expecting this kind of level of quality, but this is good. And it's like Thai style, but new in the same way. I like it.
It was a hotel where we stayed just 2 nights, just for fun.
I'm a pig, I go oink oink oink, oink oink oink, oink oink oink. I'm a pig, I go oink oink oink, oink.
It's always nice to just take a vacation from vacation, right? Cool little place. Yeah, we'll have the link below, as well as the subscribe button. We booked a bungalow, pretty good value, under 300 Swedish crowns per night. The location is perfect. It's smack in the middle of Kata beach, so it's really in a good place. And thank you for watching this episode of hotel reviews, and hope you liked it. It's meant to be informative and give you a glimpse of what you can expect. So thanks again. Like, dislike, subscribe. Everything is below the video. Just a click away. Thank you. Have a nice one. Bye bye. And I need to change my batteries.
Bye bye.